Angela here at RobKellerMD.com to talk to you today about the affiliate toolkit. It is going to come to you via regular mail in this very organized RobKellerMD folder. Okay, you are going to get 7 different items, 5 of each. First of all, the OGF, Original Glutathione Personalized Brochure. On the back of it is going to come your digital coupon code here. If you don't know what it is, I'll let you know how to contact me at the end of the video so I can get that to you. This you're going to give out to your potential future customers, family and friends, co-workers. Also, again, 5 of these cards personalized with your coupon code on the back. It's going to link all those sales to you. Once they get started on OGF, evaluate OGF symptom scorecard. They're going to evaluate how they're feeling over a 90-day period, which is when they should expect to see results, and they will. So this is a great way to keep track of it. Then one of my personal favorites, GRB, Glutathione Rapid Boost sample. In here comes 1 sachet that you mix with a bottle of water, shake and drink. Yummy. We sell these in a box of 15 GRB. You'll be getting 5 of these samples to give out to your family and friends so they can give it a try. Then PEC Premium Enzyme Complex brochure, one of our newest products. And then you could give the Evaluate PEC once they start taking it, before and then 3 weeks after, so they can track their results as well. Very effective tool. And then last but not least, we have an order form. So you have all of our products listed here with the pricing, less your coupon code that you can give out, and this is going to help you stay organized. So if you need any more of these items, you can contact me at Angela@RobKellerMD.com or phone number 954-635-5899 extension 4. Thanks for tuning in.